Hi everyone! Today we will explore how you can facilitate the integration between Freshdesk and Azure DevOps seamlessly using IntegrateCloud app. Here you have three options. Either create a new work item right from the Freshdesk ticket, link the ticket to an existing work item, or link work item by ID. To create a new work item from a Freshdesk ticket, click on the corresponding button and here choose a type of work item you would like to create. It can be bug, epic, feature, task, user story, or product backlog item. Let's create bug item. Here you will need to fill such details as title, project, pick the needed area, set priority, choose iteration, add description of the issue, attach files from Freshdesk ticket, indicate the acceptance criteria, and the build where the bug was found. After that, click create bug and now we can see that the work item has been successfully created. To access the new item directly from the Freshdesk ticket, don't forget to refresh the connector. There, by clicking on the message sign, you can see more detailed information and add comments directly onto the work item. From Freshdesk, you can also navigate to the work item itself in Azure by clicking on the name of the item in the connector. In addition, the Notify feature allows you to add comments to any work items of a specific project you choose. Just add your comments, upload files if needed, and click Send. And finally, the item can be unlinked from the ticket after the click on the cross sign. Linking the ticket to the created work item is also super straightforward. You will just need to either select the project, area and pick the work item from the list, or simply pick a feature to link work item by ID and enter the ID itself, and the ticket will be linked to it. Again, don't forget to refresh to see it in your connector. As simple as that. To learn more, check out more videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at support@integratecloud.com or go to our help center at support.integratecloud.com.